I'm not a lawyer, but even though there's no court for YSL today, they'll be back tomorrow, Judge Whitaker has still been issuing some written rulings, and I want to go over this one, which is Judge Whitaker's order denying Jeffrey Williams' motion to disqualify Lawyer Love and Lawyer Hylton. If you remember, Brian Steele filed a motion and argued that Miss Love and Miss Hylton needed to be disqualified as prosecutors on this case because he plans to call them as witnesses. He even added them to his witness list. So in her order, Judge Whitaker says under Rule 3.7 of the Georgia Rules of Professional Conduct, if you request a lawyer to be disqualified, you have to show that the lawyer is, quote, a necessary witness to dispute relevant and material or meaningful facts of the case, and that there is no other evidence available to prove those facts. Basically, they have to be the only ones able to answer the questions you want to ask. The judge also notes that the appellate court discourages lawyers being called unless there is a compelling need for them to be called. So Judge Whitaker says in this case, there is other evidence available to establish everything Brian Steele argued in his motion. So if you remember, the two big reasons Brian Steele says that he needs to call Lawyer Love and Lawyer Hylton is because he needs to ask them about the ex parte meeting, and also because a while ago, one of the witnesses, Archillean Bennet, referenced text messaging Attorney Love, and Brian Steele says he wants to ask her about this. But Judge Whitaker says in this case, there is other evidence available to establish everything Brian Steele raised in his motion. The text messages he wants to ask about have already been made available. And of course, the transcripts from the two ex parte meetings have also been made available. So, defendant's motion to disqualify prosecutors Love and Hylton because they are allegedly necessary witnesses in this trial is denied. I hope this doesn't mean her order on the motions for a mistrial are going to be done in writing, because I really want to see that happen in court.